Hey guys, I want to show you how to fix stove range knob. Maybe you're gonna have in your lifetime to fix one of these. First thing you have to do is to remove these two screws here. You grab your range knob and you need pliers here. Just clean it up a little bit and give it a nice clean. You can cut small pieces. Just like to get one of these. You can find them on Home Depot, Canadian Tire. So there you go. Just grab a screwdriver. Okay, to remove it. Yeah. Okay, now that you remove the metal inside from the electrical cap. Okay. Now you're gonna grab the metal piece that you took from the knob, and basically you are going to push it in here like this. Okay. What I do is I grab one of these and I hammer it with my hammer. All right. I hammer it a little bit so it'll be tight, nice and tight. Okay, from that ring there. This is what I'm doing. Okay, see this? I just put in this. Okay, this is the part where we're gonna use. Okay, so let's just hammer it and put it tight. Gotta be nice and tight. Okay, that looks all right over there. It's nice and tight. Okay, this is my piece here. This is my piece. Now what we have to do is we have to basically cut this piece. We're gonna cut it here. There. Cut now. You need to remove a small piece on the top, okay? You can either use a saw, I don't know what you want to use, or you can cut it before placing the piece, but I usually do it with a grinder. You can use a grinder. It's a good idea you guys to put it together with the knob so that you can be safe to grab it while you're on the grinder, or I don't know, and it depends how you're gonna cut it. The reason I do it with the grinder, and this looks very dangerous, because I'm a professional. Okay, I know how to use this tool. So just be safe and cut it. Okay, you're going to end up with a small opening. Okay, this is how it looks after cutting the piece. Okay, you see the opening there. Okay, if you want, you can put some silicone, general purpose silicone, 100% silicone, max silicone, whatever, and just put it on your stove. Done.